I bought this, Johnny, the 550, to fly around the world for our event business, our social media, GCTV, the books, and the real estate. If you're not happy where you're working, okay? It's not that you're not happy, it's that you know you have more in you, and where you work, they don't get that. You know you have more, okay? Or maybe the guy you work with is taking all the money. He's the only one making anything. Or maybe the weather just sucks where you are, and you wanna come down and you got game. Look, don't come to me if you don't have a job, and don't call me, don't talk to me if you don't have serious experience. But if you're great at what you do, I want to take you with me. We're going for a rocket ride. Come with me.